Hey, it's Rich Tehrani with TMCnet. Thanks for watching. We are in Silicon Valley. It's our Editors Day / week where we're meeting with some of the best and brightest companies on the West Coast. And Guru Chahal is with us, and he is with AVI Networks. Guru, how are you?
Good. Thanks for having us, Rich.
So it's our pleasure. Start at the top, please. Tell us about your company.
We're in the load balancing or application delivery controller space. AVI Networks is a software-defined load balancing fabric with integrated application analytics. We provide three major pieces of functionality for our customers. We get deployed in customer data centers in front of applications to do load balancing, which increases application availability, to do application security, so encrypt the traffic that goes to and from an application and keeps your customers safe and your application safe, and provide real-time visibility into application performance.
Great. So why do companies choose your solutions as opposed to some of the other players in the market? I mean, I guess part of the reason is because you're software-based, and
Sure.
so that's a lot more flexibility and maybe better cost in some cases.
Absolutely. Yeah, so it's really interesting, the space we are in. Load balancers as a technology came to the market about 20 years ago. And if you look at from 96 to 2016, you've seen virtualization come to the fore, containers, public cloud, private cloud. And yet the load balancers as a technology, as an architecture, haven't changed at all. And so when we got started, our goal was to bring public cloud-like efficiency and cost benefits to the average global enterprise. And so the fact that we are software-defined, the fact that we are centrally managed fabric, so our customers can manage hundreds of load balancers from a single console. Those two things combined together bring a lot of efficiency to our customer environments, higher degree of automation, quicker application deployment, better cost structures, essentially public cloud-like experience and efficiency for the global enterprise.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay, and so what are some of your biggest success stories?
We are primarily focused on the top end of the market. We sell into the global 2,000 enterprises today. Some of the largest payment processing companies, financial services institutions, technology companies, and service providers are our customers. One of my favorite stories is about a large telco whose CIO was at our office in December last year, got really excited by the story, and went back and we started a POC with them. In the last 6 months, we've not only deployed into their environment and replaced traditional solutions from an F5 Networks or a Citrix NetScaler, but we are today helping them actually adopt public cloud faster, much faster than the CIO expected to adopt. And that's because we're not only addressing use cases for our customers today, helping them replace our competitors' solutions with a better next generation solution, but we're also removing the last remaining big hurdle in moving applications to a cloud-like infrastructure. And that hurdle is around ensuring that the applications are still as available and as secure, and our customers can monitor them with, as well in this new world as they were in the more traditional world.
Very cool. So in terms of news, is there anything that we should know?
Yeah, so we just came out with our most exciting release to date. Our customers have been using us for the last couple of years to direct traffic within their data center to the right application, and also look at the traffic and keep applications secure and so on. And that's great. We've really had a lot of success with that. What we started seeing in the last year or so is most of our customers are adopting public clouds with a lot of gusto. And so what they want to be able to do is when their customers or end users access their applications, send that traffic to either on-prem or to a public cloud location, depending on various business logic, maybe cost, maybe performance, maybe security, compliance reasons, etc. So we just came out with a technology where we are extending what we can do inside the data center to even outside the data center. So now if you're a large retailer and you've got a customer coming in from Europe, in real time, our software helps determine, should we send this consumer's traffic to your data center in Europe, to your data center in the US, or maybe an AWS or an Azure or a Google Cloud deployment elsewhere in the world. And so we make that decision and direct the traffic to the appropriate location based on cost and price and performance.
Very cool. So is there anything we left out?
No, I mean, we're very excited about being in this space today. Our customers are even more excited than we are because over the last 20 years, they're just simply not used to seeing this level of innovation in the space. They are moving forward with public clouds, with PaaS, with CaaS technologies, and we're becoming a core part of how they adopt these new infrastructures to deploy the applications into. So it's an exciting time.
That's great. Thanks for being here today. This was great.
Thanks, Rich.